Oh my gosh, guys, as you can see, I have the Pokemon Go Spoofer on my device. This is an insane modded version of the game. As you can see, I have a joystick. I can travel around from the comfort of my home and a ton of options. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download this on both your iPhone and your Android, guys. So you can get this crazy modded Pokemon Go on any mobile device. So if you want to download this on iPhone, you need to go ahead and open up the Settings app. And once you're in the General section, you need to find this option called Background App Refresh, and you need to make sure that this is turned on. Now, the next thing you need to do is go down to the battery section, guys. So you see battery, it's got this little green icon. Press on that, and once you're in the battery section, you need to make sure that the low power mode is off. Now, once you've done that, you need to go down to the App Store section for the final setting. So go to App Store, and once you're in there, you need to make sure that automatic downloads is turned on. This allows all apps to download automatically using mobile data. It's very important, so just make sure it's on, and you're going to be good to go. So what you need to do is go to the browser on your device and go with this website. This is the only site where you can get the Pokemon Go Spoofer on your device. Once you're on there, you can either scroll around to find what you're looking for, or you can go ahead and search it up. So there are quite a few apps on this website, as you can see. So if you can't find it, you can always go ahead and search it up. So I'm going to search it just to show you. You just want to type in Pokemon Go and it will come right up. As you can see, Pokemon Go++, location spoof. You just want to press on the button, guys, that says Start Injection, and this will download it right onto your device. It's going to load this progress bar. Now, I'm not going to go through with the download since I already have this on my iPhone, and I know the guide is pretty similar for iPhone and Android, but I wanted to show you guys how to do this on Android as well. So you can see I have it on my Android phone right there, and if you want to download it on yours, you need to open up the Settings app. This might look different depending on what phone you have, but it is the same app. So once you're in Settings, guys, you need to find the battery section. Now, for me, this is called Battery and Performance. It might just be called Battery for you. You need to go in there, guys, and make sure that the battery saver is turned off. Now, you'll know this is on because just like on iPhone, your battery percentage will turn yellow. So make sure battery saver's off and you're going to be good to go. That's the only thing you have to do, guys. If you have an Android phone, make sure battery saver's off. Now, once you've done that, all you have to do is go ahead and go to the same website as on iPhone, and you can either scroll around to find what you're looking for, or you can just go to the search bar and type in Pokemon Go. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to type it in, and as you can see, it comes right up, Pokemon Go++. Press on it, press the button that says Start Injection, and this will download it right onto your device. Now, I'm not going to go through with the download since I already have this on my Android phone, but that's what the download process looks like. I really hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial on how to get this insane modded version of Pokemon Go on both your iPhone and your Android. I'll be seeing you guys later, and peace out.